Americanized Italian food. When Italian immigrants came to America in the late 19th and 20th century, they brought their food traditions with them. But things changed fast. Back home, food was simple. Dishes were made with what they had available. In America, suddenly, there was more. More meat, more cheese, bigger portions, and access to ingredients that weren't as common in Italy. That's when Italian food in America started to evolve. Take spaghetti and meatballs, for example. In Italy, pasta and meat are usually in separate courses. But in America, Italian immigrants found cheap ground beef, and suddenly massive meatballs became a part of the dish. Same with chicken parm. Italians in the homeland ate eggplant parmesan. But in the US, chicken was more affordable and became the new star. And let's not forget about garlic bread. Italians in Italy eat plain bread with olive oil, not a buttery, garlic-heavy loaf. Then there's pizza. What started as a thin, crisp Napolitan pizza turned into an oversized New York slice, deep dish in Chicago, and eventually things like stuffed crust and barbecue chicken toppings that no Italian would recognize. Even the way we eat is different. In Italy, meals are slow, enjoyed with family, with courses spread out over time. In America, Italian food became more about convenience and big portions, all in one dish, and lots to take out. But even though Italian food in the US has changed, it still holds the heart of Italian cooking, bringing people together. But for millions of Americans, these dishes represent family, traditions, and the taste of home, just with a little extra cheese.